Overdeveloped pecs, forward head, and shoulders? Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, sports physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. Here's a quick and challenging exercise to improve your core and upper back musculature, and maybe for you athletes, especially those swimmers, improve that stroke. If you are only doing planks to improve your core and posture, or doing doorway stretches, you're stuck in the 1990s. We need an all-in-one dynamic exercise that achieves both the core and upper back flexibility with strengthening emphasis. Let's get you out of the Stone Age and into a new exercise we created and inspired by my swimmers at Rehab Revive called the land swimmer. I like to reference before we do this particular exercise, another one we filmed, thoracic extension. There's a couple ways. There's thoracic extension mobilization, or there's the Dowager's Hump video that was newly released. You can try those. That way you have the flexibility to be able to do the land swimmer. The goal essentially with the ball makes it a little bit more wobbly. You're trying to hold it much like you would hold a plank, but you're going to reach. So your goal is to reach forward while you're maintaining the stability here. And you'll see that from the side view. And it's great for my throwing athletes, the swimmers. You're working against gravity. You don't need a whole lot of devices or expensive apparatuses. Just doing our own body weight is like the key. So this is just easy to do. It's a great progression, something, that a lot of my upper body people who are now moving towards strengthening and stability are going to need. So let's get to it. You want to get to this point. And so, like I said, if I'm closer here, that's good. And then you're going to balance it and reach. And you want to try to reach as far as possible. If you can only reach that far, that's okay. And then you just do one side at a time first, or you can alternate. And you'll notice that I have to use all this, even my butt muscles, even my shin muscles have to keep me upright so I'm not tipping over. And this is kind of like the easiest thing. If you can't kneel, that's okay. Try it on your desk. Get in that position, kind of like lean back on the prop of your desk, the top of your desk, and then just start reaching too. So that's something more basic, but a great exercise. And maybe eventually I'll show you that as a base exercise. But now let's make it a little tougher. I'm going away from it. And really, just like this, I can leave my elbow on the ball and that's still working. But the key is if you can get that to reach and without wobbling. And you can see I'm working pretty hard here, but you're going to use those right muscles in the shoulder blade. And it's a progression for those of you who have that hump, that Dowager's hump, that you don't want back, hopefully. It's not a great sight to have that forward, but that's just the way the world's heading. And, with the desk jobs and the cell phones and the tablet use, our poor children, we want to be able to do this and get stronger and maintain that stability for a long period of time. So once again, if it's close, you can still do it. You can use a desk. You can go further away. And obviously, if you have that inflexibility here or that restriction, this is much harder to do. So you can leave your elbow on the ball. You can then lift it and really reach for something. And you're using all those musculatures in your upper back. So that's going to be your key to success with this exercise. I love doing it. It's tough. It's actually a good warm up before I do my upper back, my lat workout, my rows and stuff like that. So make sure you got this a little bit more stable. And it's great for our throwing athletes, those that use your arm for tennis, volleyball, basketball, even just to be more consistent. So there you have it. Let us know your thoughts on our video and leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.